हेलो मेडिकल सोशल वर्कर्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए जेकेएसएसबी की तरफ से जो एग्जाम 18 अगस्त 2021 को 4 to 6 PM इवनिंग शिफ्ट में कंडक्ट कराया गया था, हम उसके फाइनल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके आए हैं जो कि जेकेएसएसबी की तरफ से ही रिलीज किया गया है। जो स्टूडेंट्स ये सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर डाउनलोड नहीं कर पाए हैं वो भी इस वीडियो को कंप्लीट जरूर देखें। अगर आप इन फ्यूचर भी इस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो ये क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको एग्जाम पैटर्न समझने में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं इसका आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के हम इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉर्ज रिट्जर, द प्रोसेस बाय विच द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ द फास्ट फूड रेस्टोरेंट आर कमिंग टू डोमिनेट मोर एंड मोर सेक्टर्स ऑफ अमेरिकन सोसाइटी एज वेल एज द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज कॉल्ड। जो प्रोसेस है जिससे फास्ट फूड रेस्टोरेंट डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं मोर सेक्टर्स अमेरिकन सोसाइटी या रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड को, उसे हम कहते हैं मैकडोनलाइजेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वो कौन सा मेजर सोर्स है लाइवलीहुड का रूरल एरियाज में? सही आंसर है एग्रीकल्चर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इंग्लिश में हम संस्कृत वर्ड दना को क्या कहते हैं? इसका सही आंसर है चैरिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट गिव्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल स्टेटस टू पंचायती राज इन इंडिया? 73rd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट इज द राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग looks like a television screen and it is used to display data and information? Monitor is the correct answer. Question number 6, यूनिवर्सल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स को कब अडॉप्ट किया था? आंसर इज 1948। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाट इज द एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन एज पर 2011 सेंसस? इस क्वेश्चन में आपने कोई भी ऑप्शन टिक किया होगा तो उसे सही माना जाएगा क्योंकि जेकेएसएसबी ने इस क्वेश्चन में फुल क्रेडिट दिए है बिकॉज इसमें एक टेक्निकल एरर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, हु इज द फादर ऑफ साइको एनालिसिस? इसका आंसर है सिगमंड फ्रॉइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, अकॉर्डिंग टू द जर्मन सोशियोलॉजिस्ट एफ्टोनिस, व्हाट इज द English meaning for the term Gemeinschaft community? Question number 10, which one of the following is the physical symptom for anxiety disorder? Anxiety disorder का physical symptom कौन सा है? Palpitations मतलब दिल का जोर जोर से धड़कना। Question number 11, which one of the following is the main deliberate policy making and representative organ of the United Nations? आंसर है इसका जनरल असेंबली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द प्रिंसिपल जुडिशियल ऑर्गन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस? प्रिंसिपल जुडिशियल ऑर्गन कौन सी है? इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, व्हेन वाज द अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन ऑफ सोशल वर्कर्स फाउंड? 1921 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, विच इंडियन सोशल रिफॉर्मर फाउंडेड द सत्यशोधक समाज? आंसर है ज्योति राय गोविंद राय फूले। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूशन सेटिस्फाई फिजिकल, साइकोलॉजिकल, सोशल, कल्चरल एंड इकोनॉमिक नीड्स ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन? इसका सही आंसर है मैरिज। दोस्तों मैं इन क्वेश्चंस को जस्ट रीड कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करने लगा तो ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी हो जाएगी, तो आप खुद से भी कोशिश करें इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझने की। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, when was the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights were set up in India? March 2007. Question number 17, how many freedoms are guaranteed under right to freedom of Indian Constitution? 5 is the correct answer. Question number 18, when was the national policy on children's adopted in India? 1974 is the correct answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, वो कौन सा एडिक्टिव स्टिमुलेंट फाउंड होता है सिगरेट्स में और अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ टबैको में? इसका सही आंसर है निकोटीन। व्हेन वाज द चैरिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सोसाइटी एस्टेब्लिश्ड एट फर्स्ट? इंग्लैंड में सबसे पहले ये एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, व्हेन वाज द कन्वेंशन ऑन द राइट्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड UNCRC अडॉप्टेड? 1989। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, विच कमिटी रिकमेंडेड दैट पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन इन कम्युनिटी वर्क शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड थ्रू स्टैट्यूटरी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बॉडीज? आंसर है बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, व्हेन इज द इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स डे ऑब्जर्व्ड? 10 दिसंबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द साइकोलॉजिकल सिम्टम्स ऑफ एंजाइटी? पुअर कंसंट्रेशन। साइकोलॉजिकल सिम्टम में आ गया पुअर कंसंट्रेशन, और जब पहले क्वेश्चन जो था फिजिकल सिम्टम उसमें पूछा था उसमें था आंसर पैल्पिटेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, डैश मीन्स दैट ऑल सिटीजन्स एंजॉय इक्वल प्रिविलेज riches and opportunities. Right to equality. Question number 26. When was Sati banned? 1829. Question number 27. In which movement the majority of the cultivators were subjected to high rents, summary eviction, illegal levies, renewal fee और नजराना? इसका आंसर है द किसान सभा मूवमेंट. Question number 28. Who defined that society is a system of usages and procedures of authority and mutual aid, of many groupings and divisions of control of human behavior and of liberties? Answer है McKeever and Page. Question number 29. Which amendment act of the Indian Constitution makes right to education as a fundamental right? 86th Amendment Act. Question number 30. Which program aims at improving the food and nutritional status of the poor? Integrated Child Development Scheme ICDS, जो ये आंगनवाड़ी में चलती है. Question number 31. What is the full form of IECT in computer application? Informations, Electronics and Communication Technology. Question number 32. When is the World Population Day observed? 11th July. Question number 33. Which theory explain about id, ego and superego? Psychoanalytical theory, जो Sigmund Freud ने दी थी. Question number 34. The employment of children below the age of dash in any factory, mine and hazardous occupation is prohibited by the law. 14 years से नीचे जो भी बच्चे होंगे वो hazardous प्लेस पे या किसी फैक्ट्री में जहाँ पे खतरा है वहाँ पे काम नहीं कर सकते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. Which kinship uses assigns a special role to one's father sister? Imitate. Question number 36. When was the Azad Jammu and Kashmir Land Reforms Act enacted? 1960. Question number 37. Which one of the following projects was initiated in Tamil Nadu to train women in latest agriculture techniques? Tamil Nadu Women in Agriculture, इसको बोलते हैं तनवा. Question number 38. What is the full form of NABARD? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Question number 39. Dash refers to the process through which individuals are placed or maintained in an exploitative situation for economic gain. Human trafficking is the right answer. Question number 40. When was the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR set up in India? 2007 में ये सेटअप हुआ था. Question number 41. In MC Donalization, what refers to emphasis on the quantitative aspects of products sold and services offered? Answer है calculability. Question number 42. Which one of the following is a silicon chip that contains entire electronic circuit on every small area? Integrated circuit. Question number 43. Under which scheme the members of Indian Parliament should identify and develop one village from their constituencies? Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana SAGY. Which body is empowered to approve the village budget for the year under पंचायती राज सिस्टम इन इंडिया? ग्राम सभा ही एम्पावर होती है अप्रूव करना विलेज का बजट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. Who founded the Arya Samaj in 1875, an organization that attempt to reform Hinduism? स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती ही सही आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. When did Indigo Revolt begin? Indigo Revolt 1859 में शुरू हुआ था. When was the Buffalo Charity Organization established? 1877 is the correct answer. Question number 48. When was the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act enacted in India? 1954 is the correct answer. Question number 49. The arithmetic and logical operations are performed by dash ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Question number 50. Who stated that democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people? Abraham Lincoln is the correct answer. Question number 51. Who was very keen to spread the knowledge of Western education in the India and bring about great freedom and equality for women? Answer Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number
52.
Who developed cognitive development theory? Jean Piaget. Question number 53. When was Juvenile Justice Act, Care and Protection of Children enacted in India? 2015 is the correct answer. Question number 54. Under whose prime ministership 72nd and 73rd Constitution Amendment bills were introduced in India? PV Narasimha Roy government के समय 72nd and 73rd Constitutional Amendment एनवायरनमेंट बिल इंट्रोड्यूस हुए थे इंडिया में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 55, हु हैज द पावर टू कॉल स्पेशल सेशंस टू एड्रेस ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन एंड इमरजेंसीज? ह्यूमन राइट्स काउंसिल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56, व्हाट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ मैरिज इन विच अ वुमन इज मैरिड टू मोर देन वन मैन? वो कौन सी टाइप की मैरिज है जिसमें एक वुमन एक से ज्यादा मैन से शादी करती है? पॉलीएंड्री। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, डैश इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ असेसिंग द इम्प्लीकेशन फॉर वुमेन एंड मैन ऑफ एनी प्लान्ड एक्शन इंक्लूडिंग लेजिस्लेशन, पॉलिसीज और प्रोग्राम्स इन ऑल एरियाज एट all levels. Gender mainstreaming. Question number 58, which one of the following diseases are the leading cause of death in the world? Cardiovascular disease. Question number 59, where was the first non-alignment movement conference held? Belgrade. Question number 60, Mohalla Sudhar Samiti is an example for association. Question number 61, which one of the following organization work to abolish caste distinction and promote widow remarriage and women education? इसके दो आंसर JKSSB ने दिए, वेदा समाज एंड राधा कृष्णा मिशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 62, विच प्रोग्राम एम्स एट क्रिएटिंग सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन इंडिया? प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 63, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ NCW इन वुमेन्स वेलफेयर? नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट्स डज फॉरबिड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स फ्रॉम ट्रांसपोर्टिंग ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटा? द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ मैनुअल स्क्वेंजर्स एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ड्राई लैट्रिन्स प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट 1993। क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, व्हाट इज नोन एज द प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग एंड इंस्टिलिंग द वैल्यूज एंड सोशली अप्रूव वेज ऑफ बिहेवियर? Answer as socialization. Question number 66, who was the first woman anthropologist to study cultural differences in gender? Margaret Mead. Question number 67, which one of the following is the United Nations Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency? United Nations Population Fund. Question number 68, which one of the following is defined as an idea, impulse or image which intrudes into the conscious awareness repeatedly? Obsession. Question number 69, the education provided to children before the age of 5 is known as pre-primary level. Question number 70, which one of the following is considered to be the result of the different characteristics and abilities with which people are born? Natural inequality. Question number 71, according to Kohlberg, what is the prime cause of antisocial behavior? Incomplete moral development. Question number 72, who is the author of the book Division of Labor in Society? Emile Durkheim. Question number 73, when was Hindu Widow Remarriage Act passed in pre-independent India? 1856. Question number 74, what is the most peripheral contact point between the primary healthcare system and the community? Subcenters. Question number 75, when was the Ministry of Panchayati Raj created in India? 2004. Question number 76, how many articles are listed under Universal Declaration of Human Rights? 30. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77, इस क्वेश्चन में टेक्निकल एरर है तो इसका 1 मार्क्स JKSSB ने सबको दिया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78, व्हेन वाज द मेंटेनेंस एंड वेलफेयर ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड सीनियर सिटीजन एक्ट enacted in India? 2007. Question number 79, who directed Baltimore Charity Organization Society? Mary Richmond. Question number 80, which ministry implements the Indira Gandhi Old Age Pension Scheme? The Ministry of Rural Development. Question number 81, what is the name of the neurotransmitter that is present in regions of the brain to regulate movement, emotion, motivation and feeling of pleasure? Dopamine. Question number 82, who established and managed special institutions called Pinjra-Pole for the protection and care of helpless and decrepit animals and birds? Answer, Jains. Question number 83, which of the following is one of the 5 mandates that every Muslim is expected to carry out? Zakat. Answer. Question number 84, trafficking was traditionally associated with the movement of women and girls into sexual exploitation. Question number 85, dash is the most popular social networking site for organizations to recruit new employees? LinkedIn. Question number 86, where is Tonybai Hall Settlement House situated? London. Question number 87, dash refers to the group of individuals living in a geographical area sharing the same physical environment and the basic basic condition of common living? Answer है community. Question number 88. What is the expansion of PHC in health services? Prime Health Center. Question number 89. According to the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, a child is defined as a person belonging to dash of age group 0 to 18 years age group. Question number 90. What is the pre-monastic name of Swami Vivekananda? Narendranath Datta. Question number 91. What is the total number of members in Economic and Social Council of United Nations? 54 members. Question number 92. Dash is the abortion of the girl fetus in the womb before its complete growth. Female feticide. Question number 93. Dash implies changes in income, savings and investment along with progressive changes in socio-economic structure of the country. Economic development. Question number 94. Dash can be defined as relationship based on descent, marriage or adoption. Kinship. Question number 95. Which one of the following is considered as the form of Muslim marriage? Nikah. Question number 96. Which scheme has an objective to ensure equal opportunities, equity, social justice and empowerment of beggars? Sahaya. Question number 97. Who was the first to discuss the concept of poverty line in pre-independent India? Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 98. When did social work education and training begin in India? 1936. Question number 99. When was the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women adopted by United Nations General Assembly? 1979. Question number 100. Dash refers to a society expectations of people behavior and attitudes based on whether they are female or male. Gender roles. Question number 101. According to which theory anxiety is described as a signal that something is disturbing the internal psychological equilibrium? Psychodynamic theory. Question number 102. Who began the campaign against the practice of sati? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 103. Dash are the socially approved ways of behavior. Norms are the socially approved ways of behavior. Question number 104. What is defined as the number of females per 1000 males in the population? Sex ratio. Question number 105. Which one of the following schemes aims to address the issue of child sex ratio? Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Question number 106. According to the Erikson psychosocial stages of development, at which age does the identity versus role confusion occur? Puberty to early adulthood. Question number 107. Which article in the Constitution of India states free and compulsory education to all children between the age group of 6 to 14 years? Article 21A. Question number 108. How many goals are listed under Sustainable Development Goals? SDG. 17 is the correct answer. Question number 109. Dash was established in 1993 for socio-economic empowerment of women. Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. Question number 1010. In India, when was the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act passed? 1971. Question number 111. Which one of the following schemes is applicable for senior citizens? Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. Question number 112. Who is the author of the book 20 Years at Hull House? Jane Addams. Question number 113. The group which regularly move in and out of poverty is called churning poor. Question number 114. Who is the first African-American graduate of the New York School of Philanthropy and a notable social worker? George Hines. Question number 115. Who founded Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 116. The climate of India is described as dash type. Monsoon. Question number 117. What is the full form of GDP in calculating national income? Gross Domestic Product. Question number 118. When was the Special Marriage Act enacted in India? 1954. Question number 119. Gandhi's struggle for human rights was based on humanism and non-violence. Question number 120. Dash on social networking sites is an important issue. Privacy on social networking sites is an important issue. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। हमने आपके लिए ये पूरा पेपर डिस्कस किया है। थैंक यू।
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.